Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's competition day, it's Sunday night, it's 7 p.m, and we're about to find out who's won a Pocket Rocket Garage mug. Now, I just wanted to do this as a little fun giveaway because I really appreciate everybody that watches the videos, likes, dislikes, comments, and most of all, the people that subscribe to the channel. So hopefully a winner for today is someone that's subscribed to the channel and has been watching for a while, because then you get to have your Pocket Rocket Garage mug, have a nice cup of tea or coffee in it while you watch the next videos. And I'm currently working on the next video and it should be out in a week or two at the most. So let's get going with it. Let's press the doorbell and get a cup of tea myself, and then we'll see who's won the mug. Let's ring the doorbell. Ooh. Lovely mug. Good cup of tea. Let's get the prize out. Thank you. Here it is. Nice brand new mug. And I haven't drunk out of this one. Okay. Just going to grab the iPad now because I found some software called YouTube Random Comment Picker on it. And what that does is I paste in last week's video into it and it will generate a random winner just from all of the comments on that video. Thank you very much. So all I've got to do is press the button, pick a winner, and then we'll see who's won the mug. Here we go. And the winner is Ruby Fuster, 9862. So Ruby, you've won a Pocket Rocket Garage mug. And you put, great work, whoever sold you that rust bucket must have thought he looks like a right mug. He will do. Thanks for that. And they probably did. So yeah, if you could contact me through Instagram, that would be really great. I hope you've got an Instagram account. Message me on there if you can, and then I can grab your details and we'll get that sent out to you. Thanks everyone for commenting on the last video. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the last video and the two-part series on the bonnet repair. And I'll hopefully get a new video out in the next 2 weeks. That's what I'm trying to do. So until then, I'll see you on the next one.